because burnout is definitely in the medical industry, right? You're running your 12-hour shifts. I think is very common with in the medical industry. I have some nurse friends, and they work a lot. So it's good to have something where you can go in and just kind of get an idea of how you're feeling, and maybe get some motivation, maybe get that spiritual well-being that you need as well. So if you see here, this is our daily affirmation app, right? So as you would come into the meeting, as you see if you look at the first button there, the check-in button, once you check in on that, you have a slider where you can put how you're feeling, right? So we all decided we were feeling pretty good today. But if you're not feeling so good, you'll see there's a note there. So if you're feeling 5 or less, we would like to talk with you, right? We just want to say, how can we make your day better? Is there anything we can do to help out? And if you choose that you want to talk to someone, you hit submit. Ideally, once you hit submit, this would then create a mechanism for a callback or from someone within the organization that would call you and talk to you about, hey, what's going on? What can we do to help? So that's what that portion of it is. Now, of course, the get prayer portion is the one that kind of initiated this whole idea for this app. So in this one, as you see, you would get prayer, and now ideally, this is just a sample of what you would get to, but this is just, of course, the Lord's Prayer, which most folks know this, whether of a Christian faith or not, right? You've heard it before somewhere on a movie, maybe. So just an example of the prayer here, but then also if you're going to pray different types of prayers of the rosary, or maybe you need the Apostles' Creed or something like that, then we can throw that in there as well. So that was kind of the idea. So here's your prayer. Let's go through. We'll have a little prayer before our meeting and then move forward, which is the whole idea that they were looking for. So if we go back to the home page again, then we just have some other inspirational ideas. So this one would give you random ideas of a daily goal, right? So eat 5 vegetables, right? FDA approved. Everyone knows vegetables are good for you. Definitely eat your greens. Broccoli's awesome. Whether y'all agree with me or not. So that's just kind of the idea. So with that, you would set a goal, and maybe the goal would randomize so that you would change it up on, drink a whole gallon of water today, something that would be healthy and help, hopefully lift your spirits. And then finally, speaking of spirits, getting some inspiration as well. So this could just be an inspirational quote, right? Give you a feel good quote. Make you feel good about who you are. Maybe you're not having such a good day. Maybe you're not hitting all your marks or whatever the case may be. But we want to give you a little something to go in and say, you know what? You are a marvelous person. So